What's up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. This video is going to be a little bit different. Oh, probably not different. Probably the same old difference. I don't freaking know. But regardless, welcome to the garage. This is, since I got my new job with Gentek Performance, first link in the description below, guys. I've had this garage for well over a year and a half now. And this is where like all the personal cars are stored. Like, for example, you know, the Bird's here, Zach's Integra's here. There's another car here that will be in a later video, some other personal items. And obviously behind me, you see a covered up vehicle right here that we will be disclosing later on the video. But just like the title or the thumbnail presents, this is a video about a birthday present that Zach and I and the family have given to Skylar for his 16th birthday, which is underneath this beautiful star and moonlight car cover that we had. Sky now knows about the garage that we have our stuff in, that we work out of. This is where basically this garage is just going to be used for working on our own stuff. You know, like the Bird and the Integra and what's under here basically, and the bikes and all the other little toys and stuff. This is where we're going to be kind of, you know, fiddling around and making videos, future videos of projects on our own. Just as this is only personal projects, you know, no more work stuff. Gentek stuff will be Gentek stuff. This is me and the kids stuff, you know what I mean? But a little backstory, so please bear with me while I give you a little backstory on how this video is going to start. Basically what we're doing is we surprise Skylar with his dream car. Underneath this tarp is his dream car. He's wanted this car ever since he was, well, he's still a little kid, but ever since he was little, like 8, 9, 10 years old, he's seen these cars. He's always wanted one of these cars, and thank God the opportunity presented itself for us to be able to get this car for him. It was one of those deals where we never thought it would be possible or be able to actually happen, and thankful to the previous owner of this vehicle and working with him, and I'm very, 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 very heartfelt thankful for that gentleman. We were able to obtain this vehicle for my son Skylar, which is pretty freaking awesome, and as you'll see in the video, it's pretty cool. But little backstory, this vehicle, Skylar didn't even know we had this little garage, but you know, this vehicle's been here for well over a year and a half, and it's been sitting for a long time, and it's been sitting here for a long time. And Sky had no idea that this was happening. He had no idea the car was here. He had no idea that we got this for him. That's been sitting and waiting for almost a year. I mean, we got it pretty much when he was about 14 and a half, 15 years old. We were able to start planning out the purchase of this vehicle. And for almost a year, it's over a year, it sat in this garage without him even knowing, as he was on Marketplace looking for vehicles just like this to buy for his 16th birthday, which we kept telling him they're pieces of junk. He doesn't want one. They're trash, not worth it, stuff of that nature. So we kept pushing him off and pushing him off and pushing him off until his 16th birthday came, and we can actually surprise him with this car that he's been dreaming about owning for a very, very long time. And now he has 3 cars. We'll get to that later, especially the car that I'm looking at in front of me, which is in back of the camera. That'll be one of the future videos coming out. But this is basically his dream car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that's coming. It's been literally almost 2 years in the making, year and a half, 2 years in the making. So I hope you guys enjoy this little surprise birthday gift for Sky getting his dream car. So there you go, guys. Enjoy and be prepared for a lot of videos coming out of this little shop of ours, especially on the Trans Am, especially on this car and the Integra and the bikes and all the other little stuff we got going on here. So it's going to be more of a personal level of content between me and the kids and myself, and working on our own stuff for a good bit of time instead of like customer vehicles and stuff like that I used to do back in the day. There you go, guys, and enjoy the video.
Come What?
Now you know why we told you no gay purple one?
Yeah, fuck that purple one.
Dad, you want to do a speech?
Today.
Why don't you take this and go see your new car?
Oh, of course we gotta have this just in case, you know, it blows up. Probably doesn't it? Oh, is it? Wait, is this the one? Is this the one that was at the shop for a while?
Yeah.
Excuse me, Celeste.
He's got like no emotion.
Dude, you can ask them. I've literally wanted this car forever.
Yeah, don't hit the girl.
The real. Shut up. This thing will gap that thing any day of the week.
Guy on the plus side, you're following right in your dad's footsteps. You got a car with a blown motor.
And it's white and black. That's fun.
And did you see your motor? And your
I did indeed see my motor. Because I'm going to need that.
Yeah. And it still does have the turbo system on it.
Scott, go open the hood.
But you ain't getting that shit at 16, so guess what?
Yeah, she literally was like, she was on the phone, I felt hard. She was on the phone.
Dude, I swear I have a cool car. It's in the garage right now. That's what I swear.
So after the big surprise, Sky's sitting on his 350Z. This is his dream car. He can tell you about it. I want him to tell you about it. There's Zach and his dumbass with the Integra. And under the covers is the Bird, guys. Yes, this place is freaking huge. Freaking huge. You can literally fit another. We could keep the bikes in here too.
More cars in here.
You can fit a couple more cars in here easily. Very, very easily fit a couple more cars in here. But regardless. This is what we're going to be working out of and making some YouTube videos, essentially, out of this shop here. And having some fun and just enjoying. Let's get a wide view angle here of everything. There we go. You'll be seeing Sky working on the 350Z. You'll be seeing Zach working on this punk of fucking junk. And I know a lot of you guys are praying and wishing that the Bird comes back to life again. And I promise you it will, but...
Dude, that thing's never coming back to life. It's a paperweight.
So obviously now that's a surprise and everybody's gone, it's just us here. Did you know about it?
I did not know.
You didn't know about it? So just to give you a little inkling, we got the car. His mom and the rest of the family splurged a little and bought him a new motor because this does have a blown up engine in it. And it's been like that for a long time.
Got to fit with the theme of the family.
Got to fit with the theme of the family, guys.
Black hood, fuck it.
But yes, so they got a motor. The car has like 80 or 85,000 miles on it. It is a 2003. It's electronic. The battery's dead.
Oh.
It's a 2003 Nissan 350Z with the VQ35DE in it. The car has like 80 or 90,000 miles on it, if I remember correctly, and this engine has 58,000 miles on it. And we will be doing some oiling modifications to this thing because you all know VQ35DEs have oiling issues. But go ahead and pop the hood. So this is the blown up engine right here, guys, a 3.5 liter. It is, we don't know what's wrong with it because it never pulled it out, but it's blown up. And yes, there is a turbo squeaker system on this sucker. It is a Treadstone Turbonetics turbo kit from back in the day. But it's a very good turbo system. As far as I know, it still works, but we're gonna be taking it off because no 16-year-old kid needs a turbo system.
Come on, you're boring.
Yes, I am. You're right. But as you can see, the car needs a little bit of love. Headlights, tail lights, some paint work. Hood needs redone, and all that fun stuff. But tell them about this car, Sky. Tell them about how this was like your dream car forever.
Dude, I don't know what to say. I mean,
like just tell them like why do you like these cars so much?
I don't know. I like the body style. I'm like my older loving caring brother over here. Into Japanese cars. I wouldn't. Shut up.
Yeah, but how many times have you like bugged everybody? I want a 350Z. I want a 350Z. And you've seen 350Zs for sale, and you're like, I want to buy that one day. And you're looking on Marketplace for 350Zs. This car's been hiding for a year. He did not know about it for a year. He hasn't been over in the shop here at all either, so there's no reason for him to know about it. Were you happy, man? Like, happy birthday, boy. You got a 350Z for your first car. Literally first car.
Yeah.
350Z with a blown up engine, but it's a good father, son, brother bonding time when we're all in here working on our pieces of junk. And we got a nice theme going: white, black hood, white, black stripes, white, black hood.
White black hood.
Fishbowl, kind of a fishbowl.
You did this to me when I wasn't here to stop it.
Are you like in shock or something? Like,
I am.
are you really, for real? You're very quiet. You're very just like, you don't know what to say kind of thing. You know what I mean? But you happy? You happy?
I'm very happy.
You got it now. It's yours.
Can't wait till we can get this thing on the road and drive it.
It's gonna take some time. We're gonna do it right. We're gonna make a bunch of videos about it. I think everybody on YouTube is gonna enjoy the videos of, you know, doing the motor work and getting the car fixed up and just making it a nice, cool car. And that way you appreciate it. I don't want you driving around like this or with the hood messed up. Like I want to get the hood re-cleared and we'll get the new headlights. You got a job, so you'll have money. So you can throw some dollar bills at it too. And obviously when Christmas comes around and stuff like that, holidays like that, obviously your family, me and your mom and everybody else involved, obviously we're going to realize you don't want socks and underwear anymore and you want car parts. So,
yeah, it's going to be pretty cool seeing the video.
got some inky wheels. You got some nice inky wheels on there. It needs tires, probably needs brakes and rotors. It needs some stuff, but we'll have to get her up on jack stands and take a look underneath and see what we got. But
Full frame rusted.
no, frame's not rusted on this. This thing's clean. We already looked underneath of it, so it's good to go. It's good to go. But yeah, man.
Well, you're not going to be making videos with your favorite kid.
Oh, get fucked.
That's crazy. You know.
All right. I'm glad you're happy. You look shy. You look like you're not happy, but
I'm very happy.
you just, I don't know how I don't think you can convey the emotion is what it is, because you now are like, holy shit.
No, it's because like it's a guy thing, you know. Like guys can't like convey their emotion or they'll be considered.
Is that what it
like,
is?
babies. So
Really?
like, it's like it's just
Guy
Is that what it is? It's a guy
It
thing.
is.
You're a fucking child.
Because like as a man, you can't.
As a man.
Shut up, bro. You're not a
What
man.
fucking experience
They're
do you
bag.
have?
They're bag.
As a
Shut up.
man. In my time on this planet Earth, you know, I've learned a lot of things. Shut the fuck up. Taxes,
Like
right?
your father. All right, we're gonna end this. We're gonna end this video, guys. It's going on for a little bit, so we're gonna end it. And look out for further videos. Look out for further videos of the 350Z and obviously the Integra. You'll be seeing us in here more often. Now that we can actually show the shop and everything, because he knows about the car now, you'll start seeing more videos coming out of here. I hope this is what you guys wanted. I know I make a whole bunch of slew of videos between golf carts and Gentek Performance. First link in the description below if you want dyno tuner or anything, by the way. But yeah, guys. Yeah, endless fucking plugs, man. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Nice, wholesome little video. I'm glad he's happy. He's finally going to stop bugging me about having a 350Z. And finally, the secret is off our chest that we've been hiding for fucking this long.
I'm surprised you guys can hold a secret for that long.
For a fucking year, basically.
Yeah.
For a year, we've been hiding this secret.
Making up
Yeah.
all kinds of bullshit.
I'm making up all kinds of bullshit. Every 350 you looked at on Marketplace, we're like, yeah, that thing's a piece of shit. And that purple one actually was really nice.
I know that purple was really nice.
Even Anthony was like, that thing's a piece of shit. And Anthony, everybody knew. Like Anthony Celeste knew.
Everybody.
Even fucking Greg and Jamie over there knew. Everybody knew.
You're the only
Except for you.
Yeah, you're the only person that didn't know about this fucking car.
Everyone's like, what should we get him for the car? I'm like, don't worry about that right now. Let's just, figure things out first. So it all worked out.
You know what they can give me? A lot of oil. Dude, I'll start stacking it up in the trunk.
Oh,
I'll
God,
just have
you're
like
dumb.
20 things of oil.
It won't save you.
It won't save you, not from the oil consumption of the VQ35D.
Trust me, it won't save you.
All right, guys, we're going to end this video. We got shit to do, and we got to go get breakfast. It's like early in the morning. We didn't even eat yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please look out for further videos here at the shop with the cars. And we're going to start building some cool shit again, guys, like we used to do back in the old days. So other than that, subscribe, hit the share button, like, all that fun shit, and deuces.